In the hypothetical world of 2035, AI and robots handle most manufacturing operations, while humans oversee, coordinate, and ensure quality control. It all begins in vast cassava growing regions, where cassava roots are carefully harvested and transported to the factory, marking the start of a modern industrial process.
Every great journey begins with the simplest of origins.
Modern agriculture meets industrial power. High-tech harvesters process tons of fresh cassava roots, securing a massive, efficient supply chain for the mega factory.
Deep within the sprawling agricultural fields, the massive production cycle of monosodium glutamate begins right here at the source, the raw cassava collection hub. A colossal supply chain is now in motion, hauling tons of fresh cassava straight from the fields. Welcome to this advanced industrial facility, where raw cassava is instantly transformed through a seamless automated starch flow process. Every harvest marks the start of a massive industrial scale. Here at the collection hub, high-capacity conveyors transport tons of fresh cassava, preparing the raw material for a journey toward precision processing. Inside our high-tech laboratory, each batch undergoes rigorous analysis. Utilizing advanced chemical reagents, we verify a starch purity of 99.9%, ensuring only the highest quality core starch enters the production flow. From the raw harvest to the pure essence of flavor, our journey enters the cleaning stage. Tons of fresh cassava roots splash into purification tanks, where high-powered hydrojets instantly eliminate all surface impurities. Emerging from the advanced rotary peelers, the cassava roots flow out perfectly stripped, smooth, and pristinely white. Now pure and pristine, the roots begin their final journey toward a remarkable physical transformation. The pristine white cassava roots enter the high-speed industrial rasper. Driven by precision steel blades, they are instantly crushed into a fine starch pulp, flowing seamlessly into the next automated stage. The freshly crushed cassava pulp blends seamlessly with purified water, creating a rich starch milk. Rushing through a sophisticated network of polished pipelines, this liquid is channeled into massive high-pressure vessels. At this stage, the starch milk is precisely agitated, while a measured dose of enzymes is introduced, triggering a controlled chemical transformation. The agitator maintains a constant rhythmic rotation, ensuring every particle is perfectly suspended and fully exposed to the enzymatic reaction. The process enters the hydrolysis stage, where starch milk is precisely agitated within high-pressure vessels. Enhanced with enzymes, The automated system strictly regulates temperatures between 30 to 90 degrees. As the wheat starch transforms, we monitor the Brix meter until the sugar content reaches the perfect standard of 25.0%. Now, the pristine fluid undergoes a radiant golden transformation. Following hydrolysis, the pure glucose solution is pumped directly into these massive stainless steel bioreactors. Under strict sterile conditions, our technicians inoculate the tanks with Corynebacterium glutamicum to begin the precision fermentation phase.
The pristine white fluid yields to a radiant, golden transformation. Following hydrolysis, the pure glucose solution is pumped directly into these massive, multi-tier stainless steel bioreactors. Under strict sterile conditions, our technicians inoculate the tanks with Corynebacterium glutamicum. This precision fermentation process marks the vital transition from raw sugar to high-value bioproducts. Witness the pulse of creation. Breath, flow, and transformation, the core of silent perfection, where technology meets nature's rhythm. Every bubble tells a story of pure, relentless energy.
Data aligned. Peak concentration reached. A precise moment where science achieves absolute purity.
The peak has been reached. Incredible, the optimal level. We did it!
From raw essence to absolute purity, our multi-stage filtration refines the future, one drop at a time. The post-fermentation solution enters filtration. Impurities are being removed, now for ion exchange to purify the solution.
Instantly clarifying into a pristine, crystal-clear flow, ready for the final crystallization.
Inside the grand fermentation chamber, a quiet biological alchemy takes place under strict supervision. The amber syrup undergoes profound molecular restructuring, awakening the golden essence within. Every column stands as a sentinel of quality, ensuring only the finest essence passes through. Entering the advanced filtration core, the raw golden glucose is stripped of all microscopic impurities. Absolute clarity, the final output of our refined process, where engineering meets perfection, drop by drop.
Through a multi-stage filtration system, we strip away the remaining impurities. Witness the transformation from raw, dense liquid to absolute crystal clear purity.
Deep inside these giant fermenters, billions of microorganisms fuel an extraordinary transformation.
Advanced quality control ensures every batch meets the highest standards.
During the neutralization phase, purified glutamic acid binds flawlessly with sodium elements, forming true monosodium glutamate. As temperatures drop, the molecules naturally align. Pure white crystals emerge, leaving all impurities behind in the remaining fluid.
Entering the thermal fluid bed, the final traces of moisture are gently evaporated.
Entering the massive thermal fluid bed dryer, the raw crystals are suspended in a continuous flow of precisely heated air. This automated system strictly regulates the thermal environment.
What emerges is absolute purity. Flawless, dry, white crystals, perfectly structured for the ultimate flavor.
Every single crystal is optically scanned, ensuring uncompromised perfection.
Advanced AI cameras scan thousands of granules per second, instantly identifying and rejecting any microscopic imperfections. Only the finest batch is approved to move forward.
Flow rate optimal, check. Stop flow, checked. Record sample, processing.
The packaging system runs continuously. The packaging film moves along the line, wrapping around the dispensing tube. Immediately after, the pouch is securely heat sealed to guarantee product quality and protect against moisture before hitting the market.
The perfection achieved in the crystallization process is now locked in. High-speed automated packaging lines handle thousands of pouches per hour. The final stage of our automated production line involves precision packaging. Each unit is carefully sealed to ensure product integrity and freshness, as our refined goods move swiftly toward final quality inspection and global distribution. Each bag undergoes strict weight verification and X-ray inspection to ensure absolute food safety, before being automatically packed into cartons, ready for global distribution.
Inside this smart warehouse, an industrial robot stretch wraps and tapes pallets at ultra-high speed.
AI sensors scan the load and calculate the perfect tension, keeping the boxes 100% safe from impact and moisture.
I love this brand. Me too, it's the best. Oh, look, the
This is
premium
just a
MSG.
glimpse into the future of
Perfect for our
engineering.
recipes.
If you want a front row
Yes,
seat
this
to
is
the most
exactly what we
satisfying
need.
factory processes on Earth, subscribe to Silent Production Flow now. Drop a comment below what massive factory should we explore next.